have questions about supplements. I get it. This looks super intimidating, but I'm here to answer some of those today. And actually today we're going to talk about protein, and even more important, how protein can help you with weight loss. Let's get started. So I'm going to try and give you guys about 5 quick tips to keep in mind before purchasing your protein, or maybe I should say to purchase it with the right intent. So there's obviously so many different ones, and I can move the camera around and show you guys even way more brands. I'm also not only going to give you which tips and tricks to look at, but I might get in trouble for this video. I'm going to tell you guys some of the manufacturers, some of the supplement companies, little tips and tricks that they don't tell you, that they kind of bank on you not knowing. I'm also going to give you some of the inside things that I have learned being in the fitness and the supplement industry for almost a decade. Things that the supplement companies don't necessarily tell you, but you should be looking out, and it's definitely not only going to make you pick the right type of supplements for your goals and save you some money. Let's get started. So many proteins. What do I pick? Why? Number one thing, if you are looking to start your weight loss journey, you want to pick something that we call a whey isolate, and I'll show you guys the labels in just a little bit. Usually you want to use your protein as some form of a meal replacement. So you want to try and keep it as clean as possible. Why? This is the easiest way I think about it. Do I want to drink my carbs from this guy right here? Or would I rather have, I don't know, some sweet potatoes, some rice? Why are there so many different proteins? They're not all made the same, guys. So rule 1 actually is really helpful for anyone that's like lactose, that has issues with lactose. All the proteins are different. There's vegan proteins. There is something that you can find for you, and they will definitely be tailored to your goal. You just need to know what to look for. So if you have questions, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know. You guys should know this already. I harp on this all the time. If you're new here, labels, labels, labels. I'm all about labels. It's the labels for me. So turn over your protein, whether you are shopping at Walmart, Rock's Discount, or anywhere else, turn it over. And if you're looking into weight loss, you want to make sure that you see 3 things. You want a good protein content. So you want it to be somewhere between about 25 to 30. Sometimes even 21 is just fine, but you want to see that your protein is at least in the 21 and up range. Anything less, it's not really going to help you out, guys. The standard amount is about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. And remember, this is going to replace one of your meals, so you need to be making sure that that protein is nice and high. Now, if you're using it for weight loss, you want to make sure that your carbs, which will be in there, and your sugars are low. You should be looking at them at less than 5 milligrams for both. So I'm going to point to a perfect example, actually right in front of me, Isoflex. Check this out. I love this one. I actually personally use it myself. Everything that I just said checks the box. 27 grams of protein, 0 sugars, and when I flip over the label, you guys, 1 carb. Just 1. So that's what you want to try and look at. I see this all the time in Target. I mean, look, trust me, I get it. I'm a girl. The labeling is a lot cuter and it's nicer girl colors, but when you turn it over, you're realizing that you're getting higher carbs, higher sugars, and if your point is to get a little bit leaner or weight loss, that's not going to help you. So look at your labels. Ooh, I'm going to get in trouble for this one. Y'all, I'm going to tell you a little secret, supplement manufacturer secret. Watch the serving size. I see so many supplement companies out there that will give you a serving size of 20 scoops for your whole protein tub. Y'all, there are 30 days in a month, and it's worth twice what we have in our store. Don't let them take your money, guys. They don't let you guys know that. They just, look, I was a victim of it before too. I get it because it was cute labels, or it was pink and I liked it, or somebody endorsed it. Until my husband said, did you look at the label and did you see how many servings you get? You gotta get your bang for your buck, guys. So if you are not getting at least a month, 30 servings in your protein, they're ripping you off, guys. Don't get it. Trust me, I used to get it too, or I used to want to because it was cute, but you're not even getting what you need. So move on to the next thing. Why do you need protein? Oh my goodness, guys. Every single piece of DNA in your body made of protein, needs protein. Guess what? Your muscles made of protein. Every single thing in your body is a muscle other than your bones. Your heart, your organs, everything is a muscle and it's made of protein. So make sure that you're taking your protein at every single meal so that you're keeping your body healthy and strong and giving it the good foundations for it to build or get leaner. Protein is not just for shakes, you guys. I make a lot of baked goods with them, as well as my breakfast, and I'll definitely be showing that for you guys in the next video. So keep in mind, big things. There's a protein for everyone. Vegan, lactose intolerant, there is a protein out there. Just make sure you look at the labels. Labels. Look at the labels, look at your milligrams. Make sure that you're getting the right amount of protein, and of course make sure that you get a flavor that you love. It's important. If you like it, you're gonna stick to it. Check your serving size. Don't let them get you, guys. Anything under 20 serving sizes, they're just playing you, so put it back. Get something else that will minimally last you a month. 1 shake a day, 30 serving sizes. That is what you should be getting, and that is the best thing that you can do for yourself. So I will catch you guys in the next video talking about some other kind of supplement. Leave a comment below if there's something that you do want me to talk about in specifics, but I'll try and see if I can show you guys how to bake with some of these guys. It's not easy, it's taking me years, but I've got a couple really good recipes that hopefully you guys can use. I love sweets, so I had to figure out how to incorporate more protein in my sweets and have a little something that still gave me, you know, the satisfaction of my snacks. So I will definitely show you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon.